Got a question about fall markets. So summer is typically slow, largely because people are at the cottage, they're doing stuff, weather's nice, they want to go to the park, they don't want to go house shopping. We see the spring market ramp up kind of mid to late January, right in through to about May 2-4 weekend is the peak of the spring market, and then you hit a long weekend, people are starting to think about summer, end of school, priorities change, and so then we see the market kind of lull for a little while right through the summer. In September, kids go back to school. People are like, if we're doing this this year, I got to make a move, it's time. And that's where we will see an uptick in sales activity, which is also met with an uptick in listing traffic usually. Buyer demand as well. Anecdotally, I can tell you I've had probably 4 or 5 buyers come out of the woodwork and same conversation, say, yep, this is, it's time to make a move. We want to get serious about this. Let's start looking. So we're probably, I would say, into the peak of the fall market, because looking forward, anybody that's listing, you're probably looking at like a 30 to 60 day list time plus time for conditions and closing, and most people are going to want to have these transactions wrapped up before Christmas. So there's kind of a sweet spot between now and about mid-November where we'll see most market activity. Where prices are going, we've seen interest rates come down slightly and more buyers entering the market. However, again, with listing activity as high as it is, we're probably anticipating the fall market to be relatively flat in terms of price growth or price declines, but at the same time, we're expecting a higher transaction volume, which I think will be important for those people that are listing and hoping to sell.